Hi everyone.
Hey!
In this video, we are talking about the tips to make foreign friends. Even in Japan, you can make foreign friends.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, yes.
Wow, that sounds exciting. We want to know.
Yeah, I'll introduce my tips based on my experience. So, I made foreign friends by talking foreign people on the street, basically.
Oh, just like that?
Just like that.
Just like that?
Yeah,
just
yeah.
on the street and then hey!
Hey, hello, how are you?
Oh,
How are you
wow.
doing?
Mhm.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh.
Yeah, as you see on my channel, there are many foreign people on the street. So,
Models?
Models.
Foreign
as well.
models especially.
Especially models.
Alright.
Actually, gender doesn't matter.
Right.
I talk to male as well.
Yes.
You don't believe?
Not at all. No, right. No, actually, that's right. You have also like many friends like who are males as well. Just like, yeah, you have. It's really incredible how you could create these connections with anybody. So
Yeah.
please tell us, how did you do?
Alright.
Yeah.
Actually, I talk to people on the street, in a cafe, bookstores, at the parties.
Party guy.
Party guy. Malls. So, I mean, I talk to strangers. Maybe Japanese people would be worried about talking to strangers.
Yeah, even me.
Yeah.
Just like I feel like, going to someone I don't know and then, yeah.
I think some Japanese guys talk to you in cities.
A
Right.
little bit, yes.
Little bit, okay.
Right.
Yeah. How was your experience?
Well, I know. Sometimes it was a bit like very pushy. So I felt a bit like, who are you? Like that. And I was, a bit like, like, hey, I want to make friends and stuff like that. I felt like I was not interesting at all, like.
Yeah,
but
right.
sometimes there were people who were more like, how to say, more coming from their heart, and they were more like very authentic, and there was this small something about them that was a bit different. So I wanted to talk more, and then I was like, oh, okay, I'll give you my line, and then maybe we can talk about later. So yeah, I think when they come with something interesting to talk about, and that makes me a bit more curious, then I'll exchange my contact with them.
Yeah, that's right. Maybe bad example is like, oh, I want to talk to you. I want to go to a cafe with you.
This is dummy.
I want to know your line.
Yeah.
It's like a selfish.
Yeah, right.
They are only considering themselves.
Right.
So it's not good. You should consider the women's feelings,
Right.
right? So you should entertain the
Women and men.
Yeah, women and men, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, so you should understand how they feel.
But this is actually a really important and very powerful tip, I think, because communication never happens alone, and sometimes we kind of forget, and we are so focused on ourselves that we forget about the person we are talking with. So yeah, I think it's very important what you're saying.
Yeah, right. So to entertain them, there are some tips. So like the first one is to praise. Yeah, praising is important to make them feel good.
Do you have an example?
Okay. Nice glasses.
Oh, thank you so much.
You look very intelligent.
Oh, thank you.
You must be intelligent. And nice hair.
Joke and praise. This is, if you do this, you nailed it. Right? Yeah.
Yeah. And the second tip is to ask questions.
Right.
Where I'm from?
Yeah, where I'm from, actually, it's a really good one because it shows like more curiosity about you, like.
And if they say, "Oh, I'm from France," and then you can talk about France.
Yeah. Or why did you come to Japan, for example?
Oh yeah. Why did you come to Japan? It's also good, I think.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's a good topic to talk about the place.
That's right.
Tip number 3. Be confident.
Oh, Oh, this is the best tip. Amazing. I love this tip.
It's very important.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, to have confidence, because if you don't have confidence, they will be worried about, or should I talk to him or not? Like, oh sorry, I'm sorry, excuse me, can I talk to you?
Yeah, it looks like a bother.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So he would seem suspicious guy.
Yeah, right. You don't really know why he's coming, and I don't know. Sorry. Right.
And especially women like confident guys more.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's about attractive energy.
Yeah, attractive energy.
Yeah, right.
So you should show your confidence. Like if you greet someone, hi, how are you? Like this.
Yeah.
Rather than, hello, excuse me, sorry, I'm sorry, can I talk to you?
Oh yeah, this doesn't work. But actually it happens to me, like people coming like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, this doesn't work.
So
that's right.
Japanese people tend to talk like that. So you should change to be confident.
Right.
Yeah.
That's very important. And it's also because if this woman feels like, because when you are confident, it's because you kind of love yourself and you feel like, hey, I'm good enough. So if you feel like, oh, I'm not good enough and stuff, why would this girl think, oh, I'm gonna be interested or whatever? You know what I mean? She wouldn't, because if you don't like yourself, nobody will. I mean, she won't love you. You see what I mean?
Yeah, that's right.
She won't be interested. So first you need to show, hey, I'm worthy of your attention, and then she's gonna be, oh wow, yeah, and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's right.
Exactly. Yeah, you are very true. Confidence, so important.
Yeah, especially in Japan, you feel it's not normal to talk to strangers. But from my experience, when I traveled to the US, Australia, and other European countries, it was not so strange to talk to strangers because I was talked to many people in the US and Australia. For example, when I walked on the street in New York, they asked me the way to the destination. Even I was a traveler.
Oh, really?
But
they asked you for direction.
Yeah, direction. Yeah. How
sure.
could you? Do you know how to get to the station like that? And
you have this attractive energy. You attract people. Like people want to talk to you. But you know, it's very true. I mean, I don't know if you had really this attractive energy at that time already, but when you look so like kind and different, especially when you look very like authentic, like people just they want to talk to you. So anyways, amazing.
Also in Australia, when I sit on the bench, old women.
Oh, oba-chan.
Yeah. Two old women talk to me.
Oh wow.
And where I'm from? And I said, yeah, I'm from Japan. And we started talking. And it lasted 30 minutes.
Oh wow.
But they are very kind.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, such events happened a lot when I traveled to such countries. So I thought it's not so strange to talk to other people.
Right. It's
in cities.
Yeah. It's a cultural thing, so it's very normal actually to talk to strangers. I mean, it's very normal. It's another human being. You're just saying hey.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, and you said when you were in Manchester, some guy talked to you on grocery store.
Oh yeah. That was really fun actually. It was the first. I just arrived in Manchester. And I was alone and I had to go buy some stuff to eat, just some food and just the person at the checkout just talking to me and saying, hey, how are you doing? And I was like, oh wow, he's sexy me. I was like, hey, how are you? And just start talking and very interesting. And even in the streets or whatever, always like people are just so open, especially in English speaking countries. I feel.
Yeah.
So if you find some foreigners in Japan, you know already that they have this very like they have this traveler mindset. So they are here because they want to experience something new and they want to connect with Japan. So you know already that they are going to be interested in you and they are going to want to talk and they are very kind of open-minded people.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, right. And it's a cultural difference as well. So you can try it.
Try it out.
Yeah. If you want to know more about such tips to make foreign friends, please subscribe to our email newsletters.
ぜひ登録してください。
Yeah. Alright, see you in the next video.
Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Let's make amazing friends together.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.